Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I want to show you a couple of my Wednesday Addams dolls, and I will have more of my Wednesday Addams dolls out later next week. But I just couldn't wait to show you the Happy Mail I got. Little background, I took the Wednesday Addams that I had customized myself, and I made this little dress in a hurry. I just sat and I didn't have a pattern, I just did it. But I took her to BlytheCon, thus the hat, the party hat that was on the table. And I met the nicest people there. And one of the people I met was Jean Stanton and her husband. We met them at the meet and greet the night before. Lovely people. They had a booth there. And I bought from Jean, and everybody at my table bought from Jean. She has the most beautiful items. She crochets and sews and makes little outfits out of vintage and antique handkerchiefs, you know, the little cloth ones. She sent me a Happy Mail, and I could not wait to show you. She sent me this little card, and it says, "Thank you. Your kindness means the world to me. Lovely meeting you and your husband at the con." How nice is that? Look what she made for me. And I love, and I don't know if she meant to do this or not, but does that not kind of look like old style coffins? I love it. Something Wednesday would love. Look at the workmanship in this little doll. I will treasure this little doll. Oh my goodness. She even did the strap across the Mary Jane shoes. I just love it. Oh, isn't that the cutest? When this came in the mail, I was so surprised and so delighted. I just could not wait to show you. While we're on this, I have to show off my Marge. This is my Chubby Blythe, and with all the Wednesday Addams stuff going on, of course, the new show is coming out. I made her this little dress. If you remember, not too long ago, I bought I had seen on Deb's Doll Room a book of patterns, doll patterns. And I bought one. Darren bought me another one in case I wanted to cut it out or anything. And I made her little dress from that pattern. I'm pretty pleased. I tweaked it very little. It does have Velcro all the way up the back, and that's because of the, I call it wingspan of her arms when you dress her. It doesn't matter where you put them, they're still this far apart. So all of her items have to be baggy. But I'm so pleased with this. And Jean, I cannot thank you enough. I absolutely love her. You'll see these dolls coming up in an upcoming Wednesday Addams video I'm doing next week. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.